we'll guide you through how to upload a VRChat avatar on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Gumroad website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Now, click on the Products tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option to add a product. Click on it and choose the Start Selling Today button. Enter a name for your product. This is where you'll name your VRChat avatar. It's important to choose a descriptive and catchy name to attract potential buyers. After naming your product, click on Next to proceed. You'll now need to upload your avatar file. Click on the Upload button and select the avatar file from your computer. Make sure it's in the correct format, such as a Unity package or any other format that VRChat avatars are typically shared in. Once the file is uploaded, you can set the price for your avatar. You can choose to set a fixed price or let buyers pay what they want by selecting the appropriate option. Next, it's time to add a description. Write a detailed description of your avatar, highlighting its features and any special elements it may have. This is your chance to sell your avatar, so make it appealing. You can also add images or a video to showcase your avatar in action. Once you're satisfied, click the Save Changes button. Your product is now live and ready for purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.